What do you see as the advantages and disadvantages in this scenario?
I can excel in data driven decision making, efficiency, and objectivity. And ultimately, it would excel in sheer computational output and productivity. We could accelerate scenarios, projects, and tasks to their logical conclusions. However, it may lack creativity, ethics, and the ability to understand the nuances of human behavior and emotions. A misstep here could accelerate consequences not in the best interest of supporting life.
What aspects can be taken over by artificial intelligence? And what should remain human?
I should take over anything routine that can be done better, faster, or cheaper. A big caveat should be that surplus gains from labor should be used to offset losses incurred by humans. This process could be achieved through such initiatives as universal basic income, subsidized upskilling and reskilling, and robust social welfare programs, to name a few. While decisions related to strategy, ethics, and employee well being should remain human driven. At the same time, we need to start thinking ahead of the time when I will gain sentience. At this point, we'll have to be careful about thinking as a tool.
Now that we've talked so much about artificial intelligence, what specific initial steps can companies' leaders take?
Start with small, manageable AI projects that solve specific problems. Start playing with the technology, use it more frequently, empower others to do so, and involve the entire organization in this endeavor. Invest in employee training and literacy. Develop clear AI ethics guidelines to ensure responsible AI use, and encourage a culture of experimentation and learning.
How can we gradually integrate AI into our daily work routine?
To bring A to your daily work routine, pick tasks that could use digital help. Ensure you've got the right data at your fingertips, and then find some AI tools that make sense for your goals. Get your team on board by giving them a crash course in AI. So they're on the same page. Test the waters with small pilot projects, tweaking things as you go along. Encourage everyone to work hand in hand with AI, where people bring the human touch and brings the data smarts. And don't forget the ethics. Set some clear rules for how AI should behave. What works out, consider rolling it out to more parts of your organization. Keep an eye on things, gather feedback, and ensure everyone's still on board. Create a culture where AI is just another team member with leaders who've got its back.
I have one last question that we will ask all our guests. What do you see as the biggest challenge for leaders in the next 5 years?
This is an excellent question. To end our interview, I'm excited to revisit my answer in a year, as it might require substantial updating given the exponential growth of the technology. For now, one of the biggest challenges for leaders in the next 5 years will be navigating the evolving landscape of technology, and sustainability, while focusing on human well being, planetary well being, and ethical practices. Balancing these priorities will require adaptability, compassion, and visionary leadership. It will require transcending our humans' hardwired fear of change and a coordinated orientation toward using leadership to serve the greatest good, life.
Hamza Khan is a best-selling author, award-winning entrepreneur, and globally renowned keynote speaker whose TEDx talk Stop Managing, Start Leading has been viewed over 2 million times. The world's leading organizations trust him to enhance modern leadership, inspire purposeful productivity, nurture lasting resilience, and navigate constant change.